How to use your 4th Gen Smart Padlock. Power button and charging port located at the bottom of the lock. Press the power button once to turn on device. Blue LED light will blink showing device is in Bluetooth and NFC mode. For Bluetooth mode, green LED light will blink showing device is unlocked, and blue LED light will blink showing device is locked. For NFC mode, green LED light will blink showing device is unlocked. Blue LED light will blink showing device is locked. Long press the power button until 3 blue LED lights blink to turn off device. Long blue LED light for beeping sound to indicate the device is turned off.